Step-by-step plan for implementing image recognition for trend analysis. Hello small business owners. In today's fast-paced marketing landscape, staying ahead of emerging trends and consumer preferences is crucial for business success. One powerful tool that can help you achieve this is image recognition for trend analysis. Let's walk through a step-by-step plan to effectively implement image recognition and gain valuable insights for your business. 1. Define objectives. 1. Identify goals. Clearly outline your objectives such as understanding consumer behavior, monitoring market trends, or enhancing brand identity. 2. Set metrics. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs, like engagement rates, sentiment analysis, and trend identification accuracy to measure success. 2. Gather and organize data. 1. Collect images. Gather a diverse dataset from sources like social media platforms, customer reviews, and surveillance footage. 2. Organize data. Categorize and label images based on your objectives, such as clothing type, color, and style for fashion trend analysis. 3. Choose the right tools for image recognition. 1. Google Cloud Vision provides object detection, facial recognition, and sentiment analysis. 2. Amazon Recognition offers similar features with integration with AWS services. 3. Microsoft Azure Computer Vision, known for its user-friendly interface and strong API support. 4. Implement image recognition. 1. Setup. Choose your preferred tool, create an account, and follow setup instructions to integrate it into your system. 2. API integration. Connect image datasets to the tool using APIs, ensuring proper authentication and configuration. 5. Analyze social media images. 1. Image composition analysis. Analyze factors like color scheme and subject to align with your brand message. 2. Sentiment analysis. Gauge public perception towards your brand based on social media images. 6. Identify emerging trends and preferences. 1. Data analysis. Utilize the tool's analytics to identify patterns and trends in images. 2. Predictive analytics. Forecast future trends based on historical data for informed marketing decisions. 7. Ensure ethical practices. 1. Data privacy. Comply with data protection regulations like GDPR and be transparent with customers about data usage. 2. Ethical AI usage. Ensure bias-free AI models are used ethically to build trust with consumers. 8. Monitor and iterate. 1. Regular monitoring. Monitor system performance using established KPIs and adjust strategies based on real-time data. 2. Feedback loop. Collect stakeholder feedback to refine your approach and improve image analysis processes. Tools needed. 1. Image recognition software. 2. Data storage solution. 3. Data analysis tools. 4. API management tools. 5. Compliance software for data protection. By following this plan, small business owners can gain valuable insights, make informed decisions, and stay ahead in today's competitive market landscape. Additional information. Implementing image recognition for trend analysis can lead to significant benefits. 1. Increased customer engagement and loyalty. 2. Improved brand positioning and identity. 3. Enhanced marketing strategies with targeted campaigns. 4. Better understanding of consumer preferences and behavior. Statistics. 1. Businesses using image recognition are 40% more likely to increase customer engagement. 2. 75% of consumers are more likely to trust a brand that uses AI for personalized experiences. 3. Companies implementing AI-driven analytics see a 10% increase in ROI. By embracing image recognition for trend analysis, small businesses can unlock new opportunities for growth and success in the dynamic marketing environment.